Hello, welcome back to my channel. And if this is your first time, I welcome you to Perfect Beauty Crafts. In this video, I'll teach you how to crochet this gorgeous half ruffled headband. A little favor before we proceed, please click the subscribe button. Thank you. Here are the materials needed. Step 1. Measure your head circumference, then subtract 5 or 6 inches from the figure and add 0.5 inches to the figure. For me, my final measurement is 16.5 inches. So go ahead and measure your elastic band to the desired measurement and cut. Next, bring the two ends of the elastic band together and sew. Ta-da! Step 2. I'm using 4mm hook here. So make a slip knot, bring up the elastic band and attach the yarn to the elastic band with a single crochet stitch. This doesn't count as the first single crochet, please. So work another single crochet stitch. This is the first single crochet stitch. Work another single crochet stitch. Continue to work a single crochet stitch around the elastic band until the entire elastic band is all covered. This is me attaching a stitch marker to the first single crochet in the round. This is very important to guide you to track the first stitch in the round. So continue to work a single crochet until the elastic band is all covered. I'll meet you at the end of the round. I'm at the end of the round now, so what we'll do is to work a slip stitch into the beginning single crochet stitch. So go ahead and remove the stitch marker and work your slip stitch into that stitch. Right. The next step is to divide the band into half. So we've got the first corner where the hook is. So we're going to trace down to the other corner and attach a stitch marker there. The idea is to work our ruffles from one end of the corner to the other end of the corner. So we're going to be working our ruffles within the two corners. Alternatively, you could wear the headband and locate where you want the ruffles to sit. The first corner being where the loop is, that is where the working yarn is. Then identify where you want the second corner to be. So your ruffles will be worked within those two corners. I hope that's clear. From now onward, we'll be working in rows. Row 1, I'm using 6mm hook for this row and subsequent rows. Chain 1. In that same space, that is the first single crochet from the previous round, work 3 half double crochet. 1, 2, and 3. You may attach a stitch marker in the first half double crochet stitch to guide you. In the next stitch, work 3 double crochet stitches. 1, 2, and 3. In the next stitch and in all the stitches following except the last stitch, work 3 double crochet stitches. 1, 2, and 3. Continue to work 3 double crochet stitches in all the stitches except where the stitch marker is. At the point where the stitch marker is, work 3 half double crochet stitches. 1, 2, and 3. Row 2, chain 3. Chain 3 counts as the first double crochet in this row. Turn your work the wrong side facing you. In that same space where the chain 3 is, work 2 double crochet stitches. 1, 2, making a total of 3 double crochet including the chain 3. In the next stitch, work 3 double crochet stitches. 1, 2, and 3. In the next stitch and in all the stitches in the row, work 3 double crochet stitches. I'll see you at the end of the row. I'm at the end of the row now, so work 3 double crochet stitches into that last stitch. Note that in this particular row, we worked only 3 double crochet stitches in all the stitches from the previous row. Row 3, chain 1, turn your work. In that same space, work 1 single crochet stitch. In the next stitch, work 1 single crochet. In the next stitch and in all the stitches in this row, work 1 single crochet. I'll meet you at the end of the row. I'm at the end of the row and the last stitch happens to be a chain 3 stitch. So insert your hook into the third chain of the chain 3 stitch and work a slip stitch. Go right down into the next chain and work a slip stitch there as well. Then go right to the third chain at the bottom and work a slip stitch there as well. This is just to give our work a very nice finishing. Next, chain 1 and cut the yarn and fasten of your work. Hide the tail of your work with either a yarn needle or a tiny hook. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. It was really fun making the project. Please do well to subscribe to my channel, like my content, and share with others. I'd really appreciate that. Thank you. Did you notice that that part of the band where I joined at the initial stage is right underneath the ruffles? Hiding it and making the other part of the band without ruffles look so neat and seamless. So it is very important to start working your stitches somewhere close to where you sewed. I hope you got that. Check out our masterpiece. This is so lovely. How does yours look? Do well to tag Perfect Beauty Crafts on your social media handles. I'd like to take a look at yours as well. You may be interested in some of the free tutorials I've made. Kindly go to the description and click the link to direct you to those videos. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.